Good afternoon to all the students of class 5. So student, today I will continue with the chapter number 11, Religion and Religious Festivals. Students, in the last class we have discussed about Buddhism, and today we will start discussion about another religion, that is Jainism. So students, Jainism, just like Buddhism and Hinduism, is also a very old religion of India, and Jainism had no single founder. That is, there are more than one religious preacher of Jainism. So, according to Jain text, we came to know about 24 Tirthankaras in Jainism, that is 24 teachers. Tirthankara meaning teacher. 24 teachers in Jainism are there who actually preached or taught about the ideologies of Jainism. Now students, where did this term Jains have come from? As you can see the name of the religion, Jainism. So where did the term Jains has came? So Jains has came from the Sanskrit word Jina. Sanskrit is a language, just like English Bengali is a language. Sanskrit is also a language, but a very ancient language of India. So in Sanskrit, Jina means conqueror or victor. Victor who have actually own over something, who have own victory in something. So it is said that the Jinas who are spiritual victor or have own victory over the spiritual world came to be known as the Jains. So here spiritual victors denotes, that is, the persons who have gathered immense knowledge about the religious world and has known everything about this, have known the realities of this world. They are actually the spiritual victors or the Jinas, and they are the Jains. So students, these 24 Tirthankaras of Jainism are also called Jinas because these 24 Tirthankaras or teachers are the spiritual victors. They have known everything about this religious world. So all the 24 Tirthankaras have revealed the truth or reality of life. They have talked about the reality of life, which means that life is not only of happiness, there is sufferings and sorrow in life, and there are ways to overcome it. So they have revealed the truth of life. Jainism was popularized or given the present form in India with the birth of Lord Mahavira. It is believed that Jainism have reached its most popular phase or given the present form, that is how now we see the religion Jainism was given the form by Lord Mahavira, and Lord Mahavira was the last of the 24 Tirthankara. Among all the 24 Tirthankara, Mahavira was the last Tirthankara.